Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change font on your iPhone running iOS 18. Let's get started. First, start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll down and tap General. Next, scroll again until you find Fonts, then tap on it. Here you'll see the two sections, System Fonts and My Fonts. Under the System Fonts, you can browse and preview all the fonts that come from pre-installed on iOS 18. While under the My Fonts, you'll find any fonts that you've downloaded. Here, tap on a font name to preview its appearance, and to download, tap Download arrow icon next to the font that you like. And these fonts can be used in compatible apps like Mail or Notes. And while typing, tap arrow icon above your keyboard and select Format. And choose your preferred font under Default Font. And that's it. You've successfully changed your font in your iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.